Hey y'all, I got sent over an electric intelligent steam cleaner. It says it's 1500 watts. It also says it's intelligent too, so hopefully it knows what it's doing, because I certainly don't. Anyhow, we're gonna get this box opened up and take a look at what we got. And then we're gonna try it out on this floor and see if it'll make this floor look a little better, because it needs some help. Let's get this thing opened up. Okay, we have our instruction manual here. Have a little attachment here, and another attachment, and another attachment, and something else here. This looks like it goes on this. Oh, I know what this is. This is the thing that we use to clean the floors. I can get that back on there. Get that set over here. It comes with a little carrying bag to put all this stuff in. Guess we'll just lift the whole thing out of there. I'm not real sure here. There we go. We got more stuff in here. We'll set that right there to the side. Now we got some more stuff in here. Oh, it comes with some gloves. Big old thick rubber gloves. Got a wash rag in here. Oh, and a funnel. Some kind of washing mitt. Washing cloth. Oh, it's kind of thick. That's some thick washcloths there. And some stuff in here. A little funnel. Oh, and some little pieces to get down into some little grooves. It even has a wire brush piece. That's some serious cleaning there. Washer. Oh, and a big steel brush. Got a lot of stuff with this. And 2 wands. Some pretty thick plastic. Okay, that's it. We come to the bottom of the box there. Anyway, that's a lot of stuff, y'all. I don't know how to use one, but let's figure it out here. I know why they sent this little bag now. You got so many different little things. I might need some supervision with this thing. I don't know. Definitely need some instructions. Let's get this thing out of the bag. I kind of want to see what it looks like. It can't be that complicated, or can it? Got little rollers on the bottom of it. Got a pretty long hose on it. Ooh. Looks like we could do some damage with this. I'm being sarcastic. Hopefully we don't do any damage with it. Guess you could if you absolutely really messed up. Sit that down on the floor to get this off so we don't knock it in the floor. Okay. I will be back with y'all. I'm going to do a little reading in this book, and then we'll check it out. Okay, I read a little bit, and apparently these are not chest washcloths here. These go on here. It says to put them in there. I don't really see which side you're supposed to put down. I don't know. We'll put this side down. Anyway, you open up this. You flip those up. There's little finger holes right there, if you will. And then we're supposed to put this on there. But we got to leave that there because we got to put it all down on that here in a moment. All right, it says to put it. Doesn't really say which way to go. Anyway, I guess we'll go this way. Those of you that really know what you're doing with these are probably laughing. That old man don't know what he's doing. You're absolutely right, I don't. That's got a bite on it, but well, I could have put some more in there. All right, we'll redo that other side. I didn't need to go that far. So we can lift them back up. Pull that a little tighter. So I guess it'd be easier to get this side in there first and then do that back side by where the hose is. And then it says you're supposed to drop it down into here. So I guess that's going to kind of snap in there somehow. Maybe. Oh, there we go. There we go. Just like that. Hopefully you can see that. What it says, I guess that plastic's going to rub up against your floor. I guess that's sticking out a little bit. We're going to try it, see what happens. All right, and it says that, well, it didn't really say how much water you use. Let's dump these in there because it does say to use the measuring cup. So we'll use the measuring cup, and I reckon this is the fill-up thing, the fill-up tank. Yeah, that fits down in there. It's a pretty heavy lid. Let's see if we can do this without making a mess. I might ought to move these instructions because I don't want to get them wet. May need them at a later date or later today. I'll be right back. I gotta go get some water. Let's see if we can. Ooh. Oh, you really don't have to hit the hole because this is all just one little area there. I'll show you what I mean. I guess it wasn't enough water. I don't know. But see, it's kind of like a concaved area. So even if you miss the hole, it's not gonna be too big of a mess. It's got some little slots here. Maybe this is where you're supposed to put these pieces. Maybe these pieces. Nope, that don't fit. Oh, wait a minute. Look at the shape of that. That's what goes there. Stuff like that. Yeah. Ain't that fancy? Look at her. This is for if you want to steam clean your teeth or something, I guess. Anyway, think that's enough water? Oh, it does say that when you get through with it, to dump the water out because stuff builds up down into the boiler part of it, and it could cause it to clog up. So, and if you need to wash it out, just put some water in it, shake it around, and pour it out. I see water in there. I just don't know how much it takes. Please remove the cap before you add any accessories on it. If the green light shows at the first time, it means the steam is ready. Normally it takes 5 to 6 minutes. The final time depends on how much water you filled. In order to get ideal steam, please be sure to fill 0.5 L to 1.2 L. I don't see an L on there. We put water in it. We'll see what happens. Okay, let's put this cap back on there. I guess that's gonna go like this. Oh yeah, there's a notch right there, and there's a catch right back there. So that's the way it goes. Got a little release button right there for this one. Okay, now where's, oh yeah, here it is. All right, pretty good long cord. Let's see, since the camera's sit right there, we'll do this right here. I'll scoot this table out of the way. We'll get this little area right here. Okay, I'm gonna plug this thing in and we'll see what happens. Nothing blew up, so that's a plus. Have a red light. I guess we could have timed it. 4:55, almost 4:56. Now it's 4:56. We'll give it a minute and see what happens. All right, now it is 5:01. So that little bit of water we put in there, like 4 minutes. Didn't I say 4:56, almost 4:57? I think that's what I said. Anyway, it's green, so let's zoom this camera back out. Get it focused right over here. Let's focus right there. And let's see if we can see a difference in this floor. As you can tell, probably, it needs a little TLC. We'll see if it works out for us. It powered on, that's a plus already. I'm not real sure how to do this. Push. Oh, I heard noise. I'm not real sure. Should we do it this way? Because we want to be able to compare. Okay, we'll just do it here. I can see steam coming out. Oh, now I see a little water. Took it a minute. Ooh, look at all that steam. Can y'all see that? I don't know if you're supposed to go back and forth over it, but well, it's definitely putting some steam out. It's like a fog machine. Are you supposed to scrub it like that? That would make more sense if you ask me. But nobody asked me, did they? Right when you let off that button, it quits. We'll go all the way to that wall. Let me turn around this way. The doorway, whatever. Okay, now let's let that dry for a minute and then let's compare it. Well, our light's not green anymore. We still had steam coming out. Let's give it a minute to dry and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, while we're waiting on that to dry, I was reading the round brush, round nylon and metal brushes are inserted firmly into the big nozzle. You can even eliminate stubborn dirt from blinds and radiators and etc. Use the small metal brush. The nylon brush is suitable for heavier stains on less sensitive materials such as stainless steel. To remove it, you just have to push it down and remove it directly. So I guess we can clean mini blinds with this thing. Iron brush ironing towel. Okay, to clean chair, sofa, bed, or ironing cloth, etc., place the white ironing towel on the ironing brush and connect the steam gun. Do y'all remember seeing a white ironing cloth? Oh, there was. There is a little brush there, or a little white cloth. I guess this is for cleaning a chair, sofa, bed, or ironing cloth. So I guess you can clean your furniture with that one. So you can clean your floors, your curtains, your couches and chairs, and your mini blinds. Is that dried over there yet? It's getting there, isn't it? Can we see a difference in that floor? That's what's important. And I'll give you a little hint. This house was built in 1936. So, and that, to me, looks like the original hardwood floor. You know, when you look at it a little closer, I don't know, y'all might can see it. I'm seeing like white grayish over in here. And over here, it's darker. And it's dry. There, you can still see the wet spots, but right there, right all in there is dry. But see this gray right in here? So yeah, I think it's doing the job. Ooh, it's cleaning something, that's for sure. Look how dirty that is. You can take these off when you're done, and you can wash these in the washing machine. Get some steam going here. I would say a floor this old is probably going to require a couple of good cleanings before you can really see a difference. And I know y'all don't have time for that. Y'all found out what you wanted to find out probably. If it works, and is it worth it? Look at all that steam. I mean, you can't deny that one. There's no confusement on that. And y'all, I may be doing this wrong. Maybe you're supposed to just go once and come back and that's it. Well, I wish that button would lock. Oh, wait a minute. There's a dial. Okay, I guess we were on maximum. There's a dial right here on the side if you can see that. Wish that would lock though. I was cleaning and I noticed if you push the button forward, flip that over while you're pushing that button forward and it'll lock and it'll just keep going. So it does have a feature on it. But if you just push it over there without pushing that button forward, it locks the trigger, it can't go forward. We're running maximum, but this floor probably needs maximum. Let's put it on minimum, see if we can get steam. Yeah, we're not getting as much, are we? But you're still gonna get steam even on the minimum. I like making the steam. And with this floor, I'm sure there's a reason why you'd put it on the minimum. Okay, I did notice the light, after you use it for a minute, the green light turns off. Whew, that's hot. Also, this right in here gets pretty warm. You're not like gonna burn your hands with it, but it'll let you know that it's hot. So, anyway, so I guess give it a, clean a little ways and maybe let that turn green again. It's ready when it's green. So I'm not gonna bore y'all with the rest of my floor here. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up and say that I like it. So if you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can order your own. If you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate it. So anyway, y'all, yeah, I'm saying it's definitely a thumbs up. I like it. So yeah, this floor is 89 years old, y'all. So it's going to take a few cleanings to get it spiffy looking. I'm going to get busy and get this done. Hope y'all enjoy the rest of the day. And by the way, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.